This is where it gets really interesting on the legal recourse because, in Utah, we're dealing with governmental immunity.
And you see it and you drive by it and you see all the police cars and you see all the media and the towers and the cameras. And my son's girlfriend is a student at Utah Valley University. And then he was up there this last weekend and they went and, laid flowers at the memorial. And then, of course, now I'm hearing from her that a number of her friends are dropping out of Utah Valley University. And apparently they extended
we've had
the dropout time. And we've had inquiries into our office about, hey, I was there.
I'm not doing well.
And I'm not doing well. Do I have any legal recourse?
Yeah. This is where it gets really interesting on the legal recourse because, in Utah, we're dealing with governmental immunity. I mean, that's putting our lawyer hat on and taking away kind of the shock and the community of it all. Governmental immunity in Utah, we think is a joke. And knowing that the cap on damages is about $3.3 million in Utah,
right? On
a governmental immunity, and that's the max cap. That's not per individual.
That's per the incident. Yeah.
Now we've seen, and this is where it gets really frustrating as an attorney. We see settlements that communities pay out higher than those amounts from time to time, especially when there's national focus on cases. So it's not, those caps are like, well, if we want to enforce it, we will, but sometimes we won't.
Right.
How do these cases? So in this case, at least on first glance, looking at just the law, and again, I don't know what Utah Valley will do or if they'll do additional things for settlement, because this is going to be an interesting, but on its face, at least of the stuff we do know, we know that the governmental immunity cap is 3.3.